In this video, I'll demonstrate how to machine a slot which must be straight. In the previous two videos, I programmed this slot by ramping the cutter down in and through the material on a 5-degree angle. Since the cutter is climb milling on one side and conventional milling on the other, it will wander and may not make a straight slot. If the cutter size is close to the final slot size, the amount the tool wanders may create unacceptable form and size issues. To avoid such issues as these, I'll program the tool in a manner which will not allow the tool to wander. First, I'll use a 5/16 stub drill to drill a pilot hole for the 3/8 end mill to plunge into. Then I'll use the 3/8 slot drill and the G83 peck drilling cycle to open up this hole. Next, I'll code G91 Y0.125 L12 to have the tool incrementally move the y-axis 1/8 of an inch 12 times and repeat the drilling cycle at each movement to cut out the 1.5-inch length slot. This style of roughing will ensure the slot is straight and will leave small scallops as shown here. The G80 will cancel the drilling cycle, and on the next line I'll program the MO3 because on some controllers G80 also stops the spindle. Then I'll program the tool to feed to 25 thou below the bottom of the slot, feed to the opposite end to clean up the scallops, and then take the finish pass around the slot as we did in the previous two programs. In the next video, I'll demonstrate how to cut a slot in hard material where the cutter tends to overheat and wear out quickly.